This video is going to review how to use the SIRS database for finding debatable topics and articles. First, let's look at how we can use SIRS to find a debatable topic. Now, there are examples in the course learning materials to get you started thinking about different debatable topics, but I wanted to show you another resource. So you're going to log in to your My DTCC account, and you want to make sure that you are on Student Resources. Once I am on the Student Resources page, I'm going to go over to Library, and you will need to click the little arrow next to Library, and I'm going to scroll down to SIRS. When SIRS opens, I have a variety of ways to search this database. I can search for topics using the search bar. I can look at different trending topics or editors' picks. And if I look at need help choosing a topic, I can look at some general categories. So if I click on business and economics, the first topic I see is minimum wage, and so I am going to click on it. Now keep in mind, your topic must be debatable. So the first thing I'm going to do when I use SIRS is read the summary in order to see if this is a topic that I'm interested in. Keep in mind, you're going to be using this topic throughout the entire course, so I suggest reviewing multiple topics before you decide on one. From here, I see an argumentative research question. Then, underneath of it, I see two different viewpoints. I may choose to use that research question as written as a part of my assignments in Unit 1, but I will also have to consider other questions. Thus, I can scroll down to look at other critical questions that are related to the general topic of minimum wage. In addition to these questions, I can also write my own. To learn more about the background of the topic, scroll down to the timeline. Some timelines are longer than others, but the timeline highlights key facts, people, court cases, discoveries, and other information to build your understanding of the topic. So do not skip this part. After exploring the topic page on SIRS, you will see related issues at the bottom of the page. So maybe you've realized after reviewing all of the information that you don't want to study minimum wage, but you may instead want to look at another closely related issue. Here is where you can find some ideas. Then I can repeat this process with any other topic that sparks my interest. And once I land on an issue that I want to explore in depth, I can use SIRS to locate articles on the topic. So now let's explore how we search SIRS for articles. For Unit 1, you will have to identify 2 articles on your topic. You will see that some articles are argumentative, while others are informational. You will want to review articles with different purposes because when we write, we need a variety of types of evidence and ideas. You do not need to be on one side or the other at this point in the research and writing process. Instead, you should focus on locating articles that teach you about the topic and expand your understanding of it, since all of these topics are so very nuanced and have a lot of elements that influence how people think and write about them. So I'm going to begin by clicking on an article under one of the viewpoints. I can skim it and make sure I understand what the article is about. If I do not understand it, I do not want to use it. I don't want to stop at just one article, though. I want to skim many different articles. And I will also want to explore other databases and websites as well. Before I begin planning my Unit 1 literature review assignment, we will talk more about that. From here, I want to begin skimming articles from the second viewpoint and understand other points of view on the issue. I can also click Find More Sources for Minimum Wage to see additional articles. When I come to this page, though, make sure you limit your search results to newspapers and magazines. And make sure you limit the time frame to the last 5 years. All of your sources should be current, and if you need an older source for some reason, we can discuss that later. Remember, research is cyclical, so you will continue refining your ideas and reading more sources throughout the semester. For now, I want to make sure you choose a topic that you are really interested in and that will work for you for the entire semester. Thank you.